McSpicy Museum, and I'm standing in front of the previous how hot the McSpicy actually is. And I have a fun fact for everyone that's queuing up or just taking a look at the McSpicy Museum. Do you know that the McSpicy in Singapore is actually the spiciest one across all McDonald's locations all around the world. So as you can see on the wall right next to me, we have it in the UK, Ireland, India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, even Australia, and yes, we have the spiciest one. So the key thing there is not just imagination. Your friends are making fun of your spice. You have 60 seconds, you have to spin a wheel and see how many meals you have to complete in that 60 seconds. And so far, the fastest timing that we had is 8 seconds for 1 meal. Wow! And 70 seconds for 2 meals. So see if you can get.
Flavors all over the countries. Okay. Ready? This is how we evolve over the years. Between a free Sprite and a lucky draw. Okay. So for this, you just have to rank the spiciness level.
Okay, spicy is like it is, chili is like.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes. So Singapore McSpicy is actually the spiciest one across all countries.
Wow. Okay.
So you can proceed to the next stage.
Thank you. Oh, is it okay?
So very easy. All you have to do is spin the wheel to determine how many orders you have to finish in 60 seconds. Okay? We'll give the wheel a spin back. 2 orders. Okay. So you have 2 orders. You have 60 seconds to finish 2 orders. You want to play the game?
Okay, sure.
Okay. I can film it for you if you want. As many orders as you spin on it. 你转那个 wheel 就走了。Okay, so 你要做2个套餐，so 你跟着这个来走，连上去。有60秒。我天哪！你在看什么东西啊？哎呀！
What's up, Bugis Junction? If you're just walking by and are wondering what's going on here, what is this big structure in the middle of Bugis Junction right in front of McDonald's Singapore? It is actually the McSpicy Museum. Yep, you heard that right, the McSpicy Museum, a whole museum dedicated to Singapore's favorite spicy burger. And if you're just walking by and wondering what's going on, all you gotta do is come on down, come and join our queue. Next on my left, if you can see me, hello, please join our queue at the McSpicy Museum. Over here we have the origin and timeline. We get to find out when the McSpicy actually started and how it gets better with McDonald's memories. So in the UK, Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore is still the spiciest version of the McSpicy. So the kick that you get is the spicy stagger hook. So in 60 seconds. Now you either make 1, 2, 3, or 4 orders in 60 seconds. So if you get 1, you're very lucky because you have a whole minute to build 1 meal. But if you get 4, you have to divide your time properly. So let's get into our lucky dip, McSpicy lucky dip, and see what you can do.
Thank you so much. So I redeem here?
Any outlet.
Thank you so much.
All for free, all on us. You get to enjoy the aircon, the free Sprite, everything here at the McSpicy Museum.
靠起来先管一下，说我在想这边哦。
什么没 scan 到？
它在上面这样测那个。还有出来，这个手是这样，这样拿给我看。对，它就是一个上面的那个海，
So folks, there's also two highlights for you to add to your calendars happening this month. So on the 15th of May, as you can see on the left side of the museum, you get filled up. So it's just the same spicy cafe but with a chili smoky mayo topped with a turkey fried egg